Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhargavi Raval and I am a fashion mentor. And today I'm going to show you how to illustrate different kind of curly hair. Now before we start that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell button because every time I launch a video, you will get a notification. Okay, so starting first with the basic outline, I have drawn the face with pencil and now I've started doing the skin shading. Now for skin shading, I am using Staedtler color, that is your water soluble color. I am not using it with water. I might show you one of the videos how to blend it with water. It's an easy technique. But anyway, right now I am just doing it with the regular pen, color pencils. Okay, now here I am using an Artline black pen 0.1 to draw the basic outline. Now this is very easy to draw a curly hair. It's all about giving this curls. I've started first with a grey color. Now as you can see, it's very easy. You have to just draw this zigzag lines, and now the second layer I'm doing it with a black color. So first it was a dark grey color and now it is a black color. Now the colors what I'm using are your brush pens. These are the Camlin brush pen. It's a very cheap thing. It's for 300 rupees for 24 colors, 300 something, and see, it's very nice. And now what I'm doing is I'm adding a Staedtler color, white Staedtler color, and I'm adding the highlight. See, it's such an easy way of doing it. And now a regular white highlighter pen, and see, it's done. So that's how you draw the curly hair. It's very easy technique and it's quick and it's very glamorous. So basically fashion illustration is all about glamour, and your illustration has to look beautiful. And it's not that you spend, you need not be a very good artist to draw good illustration. You should know the right technique, and your illustration has to look glamorous, and that's about it. So see, it's looking so pretty. Okay, so this is one method. I'll draw one more way of drawing curly hair. Now, as I said, starting first with the basic outline, it's slightly light, but I guess you all can see it clearly. So I'm using a pencil thing to just draw the body outline. I am giving the features and eyes, nose. So I have done many videos showing how to draw the facial features. So you all can check out that video also about the proportion. And here the curly hair. So the first illustration I showed you with the black pen. Here I'm going to show you with a slightly brown color. Okay, as I said, I started first with skin shading. Here I'm using a Staedtler color for the skin. You can use many different methods of doing skin shading. I usually prefer watercolor or Staedtler with water. But anyway, this time I'm doing only Staedtlers. Okay, outlining it with a black micro tip pen, giving the shading, giving the darker tones. You'll know which part are darker, which part are lighter. So below the neckline is darker, cleavage is going to be darker, the eye socket is going to be darker, and blend it. Usually I use three colors, Staedtler colors. Now okay, now check out the way I'm doing the hair. Here again I'm using the Camlin color brush pens, and I've started with a burnt sienna color. It's a lovely dark orangish color for the hair. The method is very quick, it looks very glamorous, and it's very easy. So one layer, then I started with the second layer. Now second layer is slightly dark brown color, and again I'm just keeping on adding those curls. Now as an illustrator, it is important that where which part would be darker, and how the flow of the curl will be. So that is the only thing you have to really consider while doing the curls. But otherwise it's a very easy method of doing. Okay, here I'm giving the garment outline. I have given her a nice decolleté red color dress. I'm adding these hands shading. Now with Staedtler color and the brown sketch pen. Now these are not the brush pens, these are the regular sketch pens. I think that's a pack of again 20 rupees. So here I'm using a brown sketch pen and just adding the curls. So it's the same zigzag method, it's only that you're using 3-4 different layers of it. So starting with the lighter color, go darker and darker. Now here I'm using 0.8 number art liner and I'm giving those curls with the black thing just to add a highlight. Now I can even add a yellow tinge to it, but just for the highlight, but then I'm not done that right now. And see, it's almost done. Isn't it easy to draw this hairstyle? And it looks so beautiful. I love curls. Okay, I'll draw one more way of doing. Now, this again is a very simple and easy way. Here I've just given two pigtails, long curly hair pigtails. And okay, now here what I'm doing is I'm doing a twist. Earlier I did the skin shading and then I did black outline. Here I am outlining it first and then I'm shading. I find this method very easy because the lines are defined and it's quick. So usually for fashion illustration I outline first and then I do my shading. That's a easier and a quicker way. But of course artistically the right method is doing the skin first. There are times when you don't even do the black outline. But fashion illustration is all about glamour and it's again about quick sketching. So see, such an easy method of doing. So here I've used a grape color first and given the highlight, given the pigtail using 0.8 to give the hair. So black color pen. See, that's about it. Such a easy and a quick method. So please, I want you all to try these and you all know where to get in touch with me. I'm there on Insta and there are many students who keep sending me their work. I check their work. I tell them where they're going wrong, if at all they're going wrong. So if you want, you can also send your illustration. I'll tell you where I can help you. I can improvise. That's what I do as a teacher. So my Insta handle is Bhargavi Raval. I'll put the link in the description box if you want. And see, such a nice and easy quick way of doing illustration. So fashion illustration is all about glamour and make your croquis look beautiful, make them look glamorous, make them look really fashionable. Update yourself with the latest trend of the hairstyle, the accessory, the garments, and you'll do a good job. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video and try out this method. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and follow me on Instagram. Message me on Instagram. Till then, tada, bye bye.